And I think it should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone.
Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Sniffing that up on the park, little lady. I told ya, daddy's here to hold ya through the night. I know mommy's right here, right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise, mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'ma give you the world.
Power down, are you feeling nervous? His voice means to deceive you. My voice just wants to lead you.
Oh shit.